Bodyline General Purpose Adhesive. Before starting any work, ensure you're wearing appropriate PPE for the task. Begin by cleaning the repair area with Bodyline Plastic Cleaner. This is important to remove any dust or grease from the surface. Apply the spray and wipe away with a pre-cleaning cloth. Using a dry cloth, wipe the repair area in one direction. Wiping in one direction ensures that none of the dirt removed is replaced. Make sure that you know which way round the clip should go so that it can be placed as soon as the adhesive is applied. Place the cartridge into the dispenser and remove the cap. Purge the cartridge before adding the nozzle to ensure the cylinders are aligned and ensuring that the 50-50 mix is achieved. Failure to do this could prevent the product curing. Attach the 50 ml mixing nozzle and squeeze through to ensure the product is ready for application. Apply the adhesive to the required area, then place the gun to one side. The product has a 30-second working time at 23 degrees C. Place the clip into the correct position and leave the adhesive to set. The adhesive should be set after 5 minutes at 23 degrees C.